Is Yashvi Bhatt. I came to know Sachin sir through my Google search, and I searched him for a while and it did not come here, and he was really confused whether will I come or not. But I surely did, and that was probably the best decision because he's helped me a lot and I've definitely come a long way since then.
Sir has provided lots of guidance to Yashvi, and she has come this way with his help, and it was, next to impossible without him to come this far. So thank you so much.
And I have done BA design in 2021, but then I was stuck for 2 years. I did not start with job and do anything because I was confused. And then I came to Sachin sir, and so Sachin sir is very kind and very joyous human. And he really is very simple with his words and really makes sure that you understand whatever he's trying to say.
So whenever we come here, he makes sure that we laugh, we smile, and then we speak our heart out and discuss everything with him open-heartedly. So it's nice to come here.